Are you ready? Yes. Happy Children's Day to you all. The best gift we can give our children is not just knowledge. The best gift we can give our children is not just knowledge, but the friendship and support that helps them to grow into compassionate learners. With this quote, I would like to start the reflective session of the day. So this is Nirmala from Team 4, RIESI Bengaluru. God gives, God lives, God feels and suffers in everyone of us, and in the course of time His attributes, knowledge, beauty and the love will be revealed in each of us. So let me call Raji ma'am to sing a prayer song.
Bind us together, God, bind us together with cords that cannot be broken. Bind us together, God, bind us together, bind us together with love. There is only one God, there is only one King. There is only one body, that is why we sing. Bind us together, God, bind us together with cords that cannot be broken. Bind us together, God, bind us together, bind us together with love. Bind us together with love. Bind us together with love. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your prayer song. Now I call teacher R.V. Shrikant to share thought of the day.
A very happy morning to all. This is Shrikant from AP. I am here to present thought for the day. Here, thought for the day is: every teacher once was a student, every winner once was a loser, every expert once was a beginner, but all of them crossed the bridge called learning. This quote reflects that idea that everyone starts at the beginning with limited knowledge, skill and experience. But through dedication to learning, they grow, achieve success. It reminds us that success is a journey that requires crossing a bridge called learning, which involves gaining knowledge and overcoming obstacles. In essence, every expert, successful person or teacher was once inexperienced, but through persistence, effort and commitment to learning, they reached their goals. The message encourages patience and reminds us that everyone can progress no matter where they start, as long as they embrace the process of learning and important. That's all. Thank you for RIE giving this opportunity to me. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
So much teacher R.V. Shrikant for sharing the importance of hard work and dedication to achieve something in teaching profession. Thank you once again, sir. Now I love to call the most energetic and my best friend, teacher Netravati, to read today's news headlines.
Welcome to RIESI News on 14 November 2024. Let's move on to the international news. US Republicans complete power takeover with the House majority. Trump meets Biden in White House. Both pledge smooth transition. Sri Lanka holds key parliamentary vote for today. National news. Additional cultural forces rush to Manipur. Abducted women children remain untraced. Oman seeks compensation from center over losses due to Indus Water Treaty. First phase of polling ends in Jharkhand with 64.86% turnout of voters. State news. Karnataka rolls out Appar ID for school children. Only education can empower women. Siddaramaiah. Migrants return to Channapatna in droves to cast their vote. Hyderabad to get regional center of Indian Institute of Creative Technology. Hyderabad Airport wins global recognition for digital innovations. Andhra Pradesh government reaffirms commitment to irrigating every acre of farmland in state through river interlinking projects. Science and technology today reveals how the study reveals how 3D environments affect bacterial growth and survival. Microplastics promote cloud formation with likely effects, weather and climate. Next, move on to the sports news. India vs South Africa third T20 Tilak Verma slam century as India takes 2.21 lead. Women's Asian Champions Trophy, India wins over Korea. Barcelona's fate sidelined with a hamstring injury. That's all for news for today. For more information, kindly visit our website www.risite.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Happy Children's Day to all. Here I am Netravati with cameraman Ramesh. Thank you.
Thank you so much, the news reader Netravati and the cameraman Ramesh of RIESI Bengaluru. Now, I would like to announce the following friends of mine of Team 4. I am the spokesperson of the sharing their valuable reflection on yesterday's sessions. So here, Miss Rashmi Pawar is leading the team as a news anchorer, and the rest of the members of the reflective sessions are Mr. Rajkumar Patil, Miss Renukamma, Mr. Rajendra, Miss Rajesh, Mr. Ramireddy Prasad. Please come to the stage and have your seats. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. I am Rajkumar Patil from Kalburgi. Yesterday was started with a beautiful mood by anchoring of Muttura Shitpargi sir, and followed by the prayer song by Mohan Kumari madam. Then yesterday thought for the day done by Mr. Lohit sir. The morning session report presented by Mahesh Yadav sir, and afternoon session report presented by Manjula madam. And one of the beautiful news headlines read by the Govind Rao sir and Mahesh sir. Then the pentablex proverb thought by the Chaitanya madam, and yesterday importance of the day thought by the Rajshekhar sir. Finally, Uma Maheshwari madam and their group done by the one of the beautiful action song. So thank you so much for and everyone giving a wonderful opportunity. I overread.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your brief reflection on a reflective session. Now, I request Renuka madam to please share some of learning takeaways from first session of Pooja Giri madam.
Yeah, sure.
Over to you, madam.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Renuka. I am from RIESI, Bangalore. The first session was conducted by Miss Pooja Giri ma'am. The session was about poem teaching. The steps of poem teaching was read a poem, comprehension by the student, techniques of read aloud a poem. Miss Pooja Giri's selected poem for the session was Palanquin Bearers by Sarojini Naidu. She started with oral recitation of the poem. Then we shifted to group recitation. We could discuss the poem among ourselves after her reading. At the end, we physicalized the poem. Finally, the idea here was to help students read, converse, and find new meanings from the given poem. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you for your wonderful report. Now I request to Rajendra sir. Can we have some view of your on the second session, sir?
Good morning to all. I am Rajendra. I am here to present a brief report about Hitesh C. Bakal sir session. After the tea break, we attended the sir session. It was prolific session. Sir explained in depth the 10 areas that teachers need to cover, such as planning lessons, understanding lessons, knowing the subject, etc. Then he talked about importance of 21st century skills and how a 21st century teacher should be. Like he should be a innovator, mentor, entrepreneur, motivator, illuminator, and catalyst. Sir explained about all this by giving real life examples which made us to remember our childhood days. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your nice report. Now I request Mr. Rajesh, sir, please tell us something about whatever you learned yesterday's session on a third session by Ravi Narayan, sir.
Okay. Study in afternoon session. First of all, happy morning to everyone. So, after the lunch break, Dr. Ravi Narayan Chakrakudi had taken the class regarding action research on the basis of the concept reading. He invited some participants to present their exploratory and action research. Santosh, Usha, Netravati, Nimala, Ramu, Uma Maheshwari, Lydia Jesse, and Rajshekhar sir were presented exploratory and action research reports of Devi Sara, Neha Khan, and Vinayadhar Raju. Eventually, Dr. Ravi Narayan sir summarized and concluded the class. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you for opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Now I request to Mr. Ram Reddy Prasad to give a brief reflection on a fourth session.
Okay. So good morning to all. I am Prasad from RI. Now I am presenting yesterday's fourth session report. After tea break, we went to the library and referred some books from 3 to 4 p.m. Remaining 5 groups followed the schedule. We went to the room number 1 for story narrating. In our group, 2 members narrated the story, and it is observed by Dr. Usma Rahel. She gave them some suggestion. From 5:30, we went to the auditorium to watch the Pursuit of Happiness movie. Here is the movie review. The Pursuit of Happiness is a biographical drama that tells the inspiring story of Chris Gardner, a man struggling with homelessness while raising his young son, Christopher Jr., set in San Francisco in the early 90s. The film, directed by Gabriel Musino, captures the emotional weight of Gardner's journey, exploring themes of resilience, sacrifice, and the pursuit of the American dream. The Pursuit of Happiness is both heart-wrenching and uplifting, reminding audience of the importance of hope and perseverance against all odds. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your overview of yesterday's fourth session. Okay. Thank you, group, and thank you, one and all, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you so much, the reflective session team. Time is not measured by the passing years or days, but by what one does, what one feels, and what one achieves. So thank you for sharing your reflections once again and takeaways from yesterday's sessions. Thank you, the entire team. Children are like birds in a garden. Children are like birds in a garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they are the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. So here are Sham Kumari ma'am to share a few words about today's special. Sham Kumari ma'am, please. Enough.
Good morning to all the teacher trainees who assemble here. I am Sam Kumari from Nellore, Andhra Pradesh. Today, November 14, we are celebrating a joyful, colorful and wonderful Little Blossoms of Children's Day. And it is dedicated to the kids of our country. On this day, the nation remembers the birth anniversary of India's Prime Minister. Okay, let us welcome our Uzma ma'am with a lot of claps. Happy Children's Day. Thank you, ma'am. The birth anniversary of India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was fond of children. Nehru lovingly called Chacha Nehru. Nehru was born in a Kashmir Pandit family. His family was very wealthy. Nehru was the person who had reached the Indian history a remarkable place. He loved children very much deeply. It was on this philosophy that November 14th was declared India Children's Day after his demise in 1964. On this day, schools and educational institutions across India organize special events, cultural activities, speeches, competitions and activities to celebrate childhood and encourage learning in fun, engaging ways. Children's Day makes one reflect on the protection and safety of rights to children and the dignity of upholding their rights. Children are the backbone of our country future, embodying the potential and promise of tomorrow. As they grow, learn and develop, kids acquire the knowledge, values and skills that shape them into future leaders, inventors and responsible citizens. Investing in children's education, health and well-being today directly influences and strengthens prosperity and stability of your nation in the future. And also, today we are celebrating the Government of India announces the National Bravery Awards on November 14th, as the awards were given to the children under the age of 16 for their act of bravery. The awards are presented to the recipients by the Prime Minister on the event of Republic Day. The Nation Bravery Awards were established after the bravery of Harish Chandra Mehra, who saved the life of India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru in 1957. And also today we are celebrating the birth anniversary of Sir Frederick Grant Botting, was a Canadian pharmacologist and therapist and field surgeon. For his co-discovery of insulin and its therapeutical potential, Botting was awarded Nobel Prize in Medicine with McColled. On his birth remembrance, we are celebrating today the World Diabetes Day. This year theme was the World Diabetes Day is Breaking Barriers, Bridging Gaps. World Diabetes Day aims to raise global awareness about type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes. So today, happy Children's Day to the all stars of tomorrow. Have a good day. Thanks for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you so much, Shamkumari ma'am. So I guess you are loaded with a lot of information. So it's a time to check your general knowledge, right? So I would love to call the energetic person, Mr. Sugar of our team, Teacher Nagesh from RISI Bengaluru, to check your general knowledge. Sir, please.
Good morning. What happened? Good morning. Are you happy? Yes. Be energetic and be happy. Why are you sitting like this? After the completion of CLT. Okay? Good morning once again. Good morning. Then you have to be energetic because you have to answer few questions. Shall I? Yes. Shall I? Yes. Then the first question is, who is the father of English? Shakespeare. We are English teachers. We are English teachers. The right answer is Chaucer. Shakespeare is modern father English. Okay? Good. Father of modern English. Okay.
Shakespeare's wife.
Shakespeare's wife. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Next question. Which one of the states in India has considered English as an official language? Nagaland is right answer.
Take the mic a little back. Hello.
Then give antonym for mobile. Immobile. The right answer. The mobile means it's moving, that's all. The next question. Name 5 words which have all the vowels in it. The word should have all the vowels. Please, sir. Education is right, sir. Cauliflower. Check whether it's. I asked 5. Education is right. Cauliflower also. Then 3 more. Education, dialogue, automobile, evaluation, remuneration, regulation, misbehavior, authorities. They are all 5 vowels. Then, which is the longest word in English? Longest word. I'm asking. Sir, please. It's a riddle, sir.
SMILES. Between 2 years, there is a mile distance.
Okay. Okay, it's a riddle, but the right answer is pneumono ultramicroscopic siliconal It has 45 letters.
You should give it the meaning also.
It is a lung disease. Yes, sir. Pneumono ultramicroscopic siliconal canoconiosis. It means it's a lung disease. It's a name of disease. It causes for lungs. Then go to the funny riddles. Are you ready? Riddles? Then listen carefully. There is only one word in the dictionary that's spelled wrong. What is it? Wrong, sir. Wrong, sir. That's why I'm telling wrong, sir. The answer is wrong. Very good. Then, which is the word in English alphabets always asked a question? Why? Why, sir? Why? Because it always asks a questions. Very good. Then, had your breakfast? Yes. Had your breakfast? Yes. This is question about the breakfast. What 2 things can you never eat for breakfast? Plate. What 2 things? Somebody can eat plate, madam. Somebody, not everybody. Lunch and we can't eat for breakfast. That's the answer.
Yesterday's dinner you can have for lunch.
It's a stale food. Then, one more question. What will happen if train goes to reverse? What will happen if train goes to reverse? It happens, sir. It happens. What will happen if train goes to reverse? It may sing or it may wait. It doesn't know the sim, sir. It may sing. The last question. It belongs to you, but your friends or relatives use it. The right answer is name. By concluding this, have good name and fame. It's in you. We are the king in our school. Not only a king, but also kingmaker. We are all the kingmakers, isn't it? Thank you for the wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
So the very meaningful warm-up session had happened. I guess now you are ready for TPR activity. Yes? Yes. Yeah. I would love to call Miss Aisha and team 4 members to come forward and present the TPR activity. All the team 4 members, please.
Answer, my son. What is this, dear?
This is my
Head boiler, mummy, my dear. Head boiler, ding-a-ding-a-doo. This is what I learnt when I went to school. Answer, my son. What is this, dear? This is my eye blinker, mummy, my dear. Head boiler, eye blinker, ding-a-ding-a-doo. This is what I learnt when I went to school. Answer, my son. What is this, dear? This is my nose blower, mummy, my dear. Head boiler, eye blinker, nose blower, nicky nicky nee. This is what I learnt when I went to school. Answer, my child. What is this, dear? This is my loudspeaker, mummy, my dear. Head boiler, eye blinker, nose blower, loudspeaker, ding-a-ding-a-doo. This is what I learnt when I went to school. Answer, my child. What is this, dear? This is my chest beater, mummy, my dear. Head boiler, eye blinker, nose blower, loudspeaker, chest beater, ding-a-ding-a-doo. This is what I learnt when I went to school. Answer, my child. What is this, dear? This is my bread basket, mummy, my dear. Head boiler, eye blinker, nose blower, loudspeaker, chest beater, bread basket, ding-a-ding-a-doo. This is what I learnt when I went to school. Thank you.
Due to lack of time, we restricted the TPR activity, short and sweet. So, again I would love to call all the team members, team 4 members, come forward to the stage. The literate, please listen, the illiterate of the 21st century will not be those who cannot read and write. The illiterate of the 21st century, those who cannot read and write. But those who cannot learn, unlearn and relearn. With this quote, I would like to conclude the reflective session of the day. Before that,
Yes, we have to convey our
it is a warmth and sincere regards to our beautiful artist, which you can see right now. The board is full of colors and pictures of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The picture had drawn by Madam Lalita and Bhakshapati sir. Thank you so much. Sorry. It is Bhakshapati. Please stand up. Lalita ma'am and Bhakshapati sir, thank you so much from team 4 and on behalf of me. So, thank you so much. Thank you for the opportunity.
Those who cannot read and write, but those who cannot learn, unlearn and relearn. Alvin Toffler. Good.
Come in between.
That's you. Please come. Thank you. Happy Children's Day. And a beautiful Children's Day on a beautiful weather. Very lovely day. How are you all? How was the breakfast? What did you have for breakfast? Palau. Serta. You could eat? Okay. While you're taking chocolates, let us please give a big round of applause to group 4. Very creative performance. I could see the board work. You can keep the boards this side, this way. Yeah, please keep the boards so that you can be seen, can be visible. So when the teachers are making use of the board, let them use that one. Okay, this you can keep as it is. Do you hear me? Yes, ma'am. What do you say? Retain this work as it is for today. You can erase that and keep that for writing today. Yeah. Prayer by teacher Raji. Yeah, how was the prayer? Quickly. Super, very good. Clap, clap for her. And then the thought for the day. Shrikant. Good thought. Then Netrapti, news reading. How was the news reading? Okay, and how was the report? Many people pitched in. Okay. Interactive mode, good. So each time you're coming up with something different and nice. Next week we want to see a whole lot of changes because that's the only week you're going to get full performance again. Alright? Yeah, and then we had today's special, that is by Shama Kumari. From here it looks like signal. Shama Kumari, good. And then we had TPR activities, good. Very well organized. Although you had very little time, you practiced well and you didn't go on doing many things there. So knee bender and all those things were still there as your friends were mentioning. But good. And when you're doing action song, everyone there participating should do a little bit of movement. Don't just say this is my nose, my mother, this is my mouth, my mother. Do this. How will the children do? If you don't bend, the children will also not do anything. Some of you are doing well. Some of you are just standing there stationary. No, some ladies also. As he was asking, mobile, immobile. So this was on immobile. All right. Yes, and now talking about the riddles. Very good and energetic. Yeah, questioning skills were very good and you were captivating the audience attention very well. Good. Please give them a big hand. A big clap for the action song people, the team as well. And finally, the anchor. The little anchor, aptly dressed. For Children's Day, you selected the right anchor here. Yeah, good. By default, you got the group today and then you had one member here. Good. Please clap for her. Very confidently presented. No? It's only Chacha Nehru's birthday. Yeah, and thank you for this lovely bunch of flowers. Thank you for this also, the thought. The board work is really neat and nice. And I personally appreciate Miss Lalita and Mr. Bhikshapati. Good. See, this goes on to show that it is not just your own team that you're working for. Both of them don't belong to the group 4. So a special round of applause to both of them because although they are non-members, they are doing it for the sake of the CLT group. So this is what we need to learn. This is what we need to imbibe and make our children also learn. So you cannot be just having we, mine all the time. You need to do it for others and others will do it for you. And this is how you need to share and help each other even during your teaching practice. Study before the exams but not during the exam. Not while writing the exam. So your help should be there as long as you enter the examination hall. But once you start writing, it is your work. Don't start helping. Just because madam said we have to help, see my paper. That should not happen. Okay? So, tomorrow morning, most probably I'll be requesting Hitesh sir to come and the morning session report because I'll be on leave. And Saturday, don't be absent because we are discussing the lesson planning. Alright? Yes. So, a very happy Children's Day to a young teacher here. He's waiting for the chocolates. Happy Teachers' Day, Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day to all of you. Thank you, sir. I want to
let the child in you bloom, just like these flowers. This is your diary? Yes.
I want to sing a small song about children. I wrote to children.
Okay,
Small,
by the time sir sets up his shop, you can start off. Sing
Children,
quickly.
One line.
The more time
I'll extend it into the tea break. Already 10 minutes.
Just one line.
Hey, I called
Just
you
a-
wrong back. You didn't come in. जो बोली ना
పువ్వుల్లో పువ్వులై తారల్లో తారలై చక్కని బాలలు మా మంచి బాలలు విరియాలి పువ్వుల్లాగా మెరవాలి చుక్కల్లాగా బంగారు బాలలు భారత భావి పౌరులు. I wrote this song, many songs to motivate the children. బాలలు రారండి భవిష్యత్తే మీరండి పలక బలపం చేతబట్టి బడిలో చేరండి మీరు బాగా చదవండి. We don't have time. Sorry sir. Thank you sir.
Okay.